Hello everyone, this is Rich Wall, Coordinator of Instructional Technologies. This short video tutorial will be on setting up the Epsilen course management system for an upcoming course that you plan to deliver, and within that course being able to upload a course syllabus. For a quick review on getting to the launch icon for Epsilen, from the main Mitchell webpage you'll want to click on Faculty and Staff. You'll then want to click on Learning Management. You'll notice now that the Epsilen icon is in the row where the additional portals are, such as Student Portal, Faculty Portal, and ePortfolio. You'll want to click on the Epsilen icon. This is the login screen for Epsilen. You'll need a specific username and a password for Epsilen. This is not the same as you have for your Mitchell network account or for the faculty portal. If you do not have an Epsilen username or password, please contact me, again Rich Wall, and I can provide that to you. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll want to log in. You'll then be taken directly to your My Portal page. On the main portal page, on the left side are a set of functions. We'll be using the learning function. You'll want to click on that. Then click on the Courses tab. Now on my courses page I have several courses listed that I'm actively involved with, but I want to call your attention to the three buttons that are right under the View Courses. You'll want to click on Create Course. You'll only be doing this once you begin to create your course for the semester. The next information here you'll need to enter is pretty straightforward. Course title. In this case we'll call it a Test Course 2014. If you have a course number, that's fine. In this case we'll call it FC120 as an example. Again, this is just a test course. You don't need to enter in any information in the department area, subtitle, section if you'd like. School, you don't need to enter anything. Start date you can change. I have it set here for a specific start date in January, and then of course a specific end date, and you can change those dates by clicking on the calendar function. If you'd like, you can enter in course description. This could be a copy and paste function from your syllabus, or just leave it blank. Everything else going forward is all set. You're going to invite students through invite only. And just to verify that you are listed as the instructor for the course, once done, you'll want to click on the Create Course button. Once the course is created, it'll take you right to the course page. And once the course page loads, you'll be presented with a primer on all of the functions that are available to you as you build out your first course using Epsilen. These functions, as you see here, syllabus, lesson, announcement, are direct correlation to the tabs on the left. This primer will disappear once you start to build your course out. The next function I'd like to show you is how do you upload a syllabus to the Epsilen course management page. Again, working in your course page, you'll want to just click on the word syllabus. You'll come over to the far right and click on the words Add Syllabus. You want to click on the words Enter Your Own. You are going to upload a file from, let's say, your desktop or a SkyDrive or from a flash drive. You'll click on File. You'll then click on the button Upload File. You'll then click on Add File, and this will take you to a familiar screen that you've seen before where you can select where your documents may be. In this case, I have already prepared a document and put it on my desktop. I will scroll down and look for that document. It actually is a test syllabus. I found the test syllabus. I click on it. The file name is entered here. I then click on the word open. I then click on upload, and you'll see the syllabus is now being uploaded. The most important part now is to make sure you click on the word save. Now the syllabus is in your course page. How you can prove that is you can actually now click on this button, download now. Traditional dialog screen to launch the application opens up. Click on OK. And you can see that the page now comes out as a Microsoft Word document. So uploading a syllabus is quite simple. I always recommend once those functions are complete to go back to the Home Course tab. And you notice the primer has now disappeared, though you can re-access the primer if you'd like. There are other syllabus that you'll want to use over time. One in particular happens to be in the area of resources. Again, very similar to the syllabus. You just need to click on the Resource tab to add new resources, and a resource in this case can be a Word document, a PowerPoint, it can be a file, it can also be a web link. All you have to do is name it, give it a description, and then choose the option that you feel is most appropriate to upload that. You can then click on the box next to create an announcement. This will be an email sent to students about the new resource, and then finally click on add resources. Another feature you might want to consider using is Dropboxes. This is where you can have both a general Dropbox for students to upload documents to, or PowerPoint presentations, or other materials, or you can actually go ahead and set up a specific Dropbox that can have date and times associated with it. When done, what you're going to want to do is make sure you click on the Add button. Again, when done with that feature, you'll then want to go back and click on Home Course. Adding members to the course page is a fairly straightforward task, though one thing to keep in mind, the Epsilen system is not connected at all with the faculty portal, so your student list cannot be imported into Epsilen. If you do have students that are in your course and you'd like to make sure that they are set up with usernames and IDs, please get to me your course information and student names, and I'll make sure they have usernames and passwords for Epsilen. But it's very simple to invite them once they are in Epsilen. You click on the words invite people. You want to click on invite current Epsilen members. Your students will be Epsilen members once I give them a username and a password. You'll now be able to search for students. I'll just give one example here. If I type in the word Rich, first name only, you'll notice that anything to do with a Rich or a Richard is pulled up. In this case, I have a Richard Wall as a college student. I'll go ahead and invite him to be part of the class. I click on the box next to his name. I then click on Add Selected. And as you can see, Richard Wall is now added as a student. I have a chance to customize a welcome note to my student. When done, I then click on Invite Selected. And I get a confirmation that the members that you've invited have been successfully invited. Again, back to Home Course. So that's what it takes to set up a simple course in Epsilen. Again, we reviewed uploading a syllabus, resources, Dropboxes, and adding course members. If you'd like some more assistance in utilizing Epsilen for the upcoming semester, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, this is Rich Wall. I'm over in the Duquesne Center, room 211. I can be reached at area code 860-629-6157 or on email wall_r@mitchell.edu.